What do you think, Marvin? Do you think the hand of God came down and stopped them bullets? Alright, this is my sound room. I was in here just messing around the other day, and I heard a truck. So I did a test on the noise floor and to see if you could hear the truck. This wall faces the street. I mean, this is the roof. I'm on the second floor, so the truck is lower than me, and it's low rumbling sound. And it's a Shure 57 with a pop filter and another pop filter on a cheap mic stand, which I need to replace. And this
CAD acoustical shield.
Sticker bombed
CAD acoustical shield.
but I got a video on it. And the sound treatment. Some kind of non-scientifical doodad. So let's cut to the sound, shall we?
This is a test. There's a truck outside. This is a test. There's a truck outside. I can hear it, but I don't know if it's being recorded. So stop Arini and let's listen. This is a test. There's a truck outside. This is a test. There's a truck outside. I can hear it, but I don't know if it's being recorded. So stop Arini and let's listen. I can hear it, but I don't know if it's being recorded. So stop Arini and I can hear it, but I don't know if it's being recorded. So I can hear it, but I don't know if it's being recorded. So stop Arini and let's listen. I can hear it, but I don't know if it's being recorded. Final thoughts. Truck going by, you need to stop because it's in there. It's way down in there. You might get away with it, but it's in there. You crank it up, it's in there. You listen on headphones, it's in there. I don't know if the Zoom H4n had auto leveling or pre-record. I can't remember what the settings were. But I think the main problem is the DaVinci Resolve 15 beta. Their sound system is just garbage. They may have come a long way. I don't know. I've tried 14 and 15, so this is my second one. They may have come a long way, but they have a long way to go. What I've tried so far, I bought another one. I forget what it was. But it was preschool. And I'm not going Mac. And Adobe wants a pound of flesh every month. But they're the best. What are you going to do? A DaVinci Resolve, there's, at the end, before I talk, you can hear it just drops it just seems like it drops the levels. I raised it 10 dB and it just drops the levels before I talk. I mean, you can't have a fair comparison if it's just jacking up the levels any way it wants to. It's ridiculous. When you're in the audio portion, you can't cut the clips. There's no razor tool. Like, what the what? Well, that's ridiculous. You have to swap back and forth between the editing and then the audio to cut it. If it's just plain audio track and you have 6 takes, how are you gonna cut them out? There's no waveforms, don't show up on either side. Well, on the audio side you can get waveforms, but not on the video side. Time syncing, audio sync from multiple cameras and dual audio. It's just garbage. They need a long way before I'd pay for it. So that's another story. Different time. So that's all I got.